आगे बढ़ेंगे। बेंगलुरु में ब्लॉगर की हत्या के बाद हत्यारे के बारे में कई तरह के खुलासे हो रहे हैं। पुलिस सूत्रों के मुताबिक आरोपी आरव की परवरिश मुश्किलों से भरी स्थिति में हुई थी और वो मानसिक रूप से परेशान था। पीड़िता और आरोपी पिछले 6 महीने से रिलेशनशिप में थे। पुलिस द्वारा ये भी बातें कही गई हैं कि आरव ने पीड़िता को एक दीवार की तरफ धक्का दिया, जिससे पीड़िता का सिर पहले एक दीवार से टकराया और जब उसने हत्या का विरोध करने की कोशिश की तो आरोपी ने उस पर कई बार चाकू से वार किया।
So after the incident, he has taken a cab and he has moved to the railway station. So till there we have tracked. So there he has switched off his phone. So the latest we have located today morning also his whereabouts, and one team has reached his native Kerala. So he has been brought up by grandparents. So we are in touch with the grandparents, and he seems to be an ex-serviceman. Mr. Das is grandfather. So he is in touch with us, and my team is in Kerala. So and the motive for the murder is yet to be ascertained. So one thing is he has killed her brutally with a knife and multiple injuries on the body.
The brutal murder of a young 19-year-old vlogger in Bengaluru city has sent shockwaves down the spines of people in the city. Now, while we're at the scene of crime, I'd like to start by showing you, my video journalist Pradeep would give you an idea of this area here, which establishes why this is all the more reason, a very concerning part of the story. Now, this is an extremely posh area of Bengaluru where you have several residential houses in this area. You have parks. It is, of course, considered to be one of the more posh areas of the city. And this place, this service apartment, is where this crime has taken place. Now, we're told that Maya Gogoi had checked in with a man named Arav, 21 years old, into this very service apartment on the 23rd of this month. It was on the 26th that Arav is spotted on the CCTV camera of the service apartment, rushing out at about 8:30 in the morning without Maya. Now, when the staff found a stench emanating from one of the rooms, a foul smell, is when they've suspected that something's not right. They've reached out to the local police, who've come to this very service apartment, opened up that door and found Maya's body in a pool of blood on the bed in one of the rooms. Now, the police have recovered a knife which was in one of the bags in the room. The police have also recovered nylon ropes that were ordered to the room directly from one of the apps. Now, what is, of course, the most concerning part of this is the fact that all of this has happened right here in the room, in the presence of the staff as well at this very service apartment. And the accused, Arav, continues to remain on the run as the Bengaluru police is in hot pursuit.
ತುಂಬಾ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇನೋ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಹೊರಗಿನವರು, ಅವರು ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ ಕಡೆಯವರೇನೋ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು, ಅವಳು ಅಸ್ಸಾಮಿನ ಬಂದವರು ಮತ್ತು ಇವರು ಕೇರಳದವರು. ಇಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ನಾವು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಥದ್ದಾದಾಗ ಇಡೀ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಹೆಸರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.